Hey, what's up, everyone? My name's James Famba. I want to thank you for watching this video. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a sales funnel with the Power Lead system. And a sales funnel is designed to help you get better results with whatever products or services you're trying to sell. So if you're in affiliate marketing or network marketing, or you want to learn how to make money online and you are struggling to make sales, a sales funnel is very powerful. All right. So with the Power Lead system, I've been using their services for a while now. I've earned over $85,000 in commissions, and I've used these tools to help build multiple streams of income. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through step by step how to create a sales funnel using the Power Lead system. And then if you want to check out the Power Lead system for yourself, I have the website link directly below in the description box. Also, if you partner up with me, I have some cool bonuses for you, including my daily routine of advertising strategies, as well as traffic sources that I use to keep a consistent flow of eyeballs seeing my offer. All right. Free advertising methods, as well as when I do pay for advertising. I share all of that. But back to the whole point of this video, let's get into how to make a sales funnel with the Power Lead system. So you can do this for any online business. In this video, I'm going to show you guys me making a sales funnel for a program called My Lead Gen Secret. All right. Now, my team is growing really quickly in there. And one of the reasons why I'm making a lot of conversions is because I'm using a sales funnel. So this is the process that I'm going to walk you guys through. Here, let's go back. Right. You want to have a place where you can get leads. Once you get leads, the sales call happens, or the VSL, the video presentation. Once that video presentation plays, it's about following up with the leads, right? So you need to have a tool in place that will help you follow up with your prospects. The next thing is conversions, and then it goes into sales. So another thing about a funnel, before I show you guys really quickly how to do this from beginning to end, is you see how it starts out really wide at the top. At the bottom, it's like a cone. It's very small. This is where if you look at it like you have a door open and a whole bunch of people go inside, but at the back end, only the serious ones come out. That's what it's like, you know? So let's get into it now. For me to create a sales funnel for this program here, what I'm going to take is my video presentation link. So here, control copy. All right, so we have the sales presentation. Also, what I'm going to grab from my Lead Gen Secret is I'm going to grab the done for you emails that they have already. All right, so I'm going to show you this. All right, so you see here how they have emails already. This is for like email follow-ups or emails that they would send out to the leads. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take all of these emails, email number 1, email number 2, email number 3, email number 4. I'll do up to email number 5 in this video, just as an example. And I'm going to create a follow-up series with the Power Lead system so that when someone requests info from the front door, the capture page, they start receiving these emails. Like one email goes to them. Then the very next day, another email goes to them. These emails will be directing people back to the sales presentation page. All right. So let me do that part in front of you now. Let me put my password in. All right. So I'm going to log into my Power Lead system back office. All right, so here I am in my Power Lead system back office. What I want to do first is I'm going to create those email follow-up series first. So I'm going to hover over email text. I'm going to go to add campaigns. I'm going to name this So I'm going to name this campaign New My Lead Gen Secret. Next thing, it's asking me, do I want to use existing campaigns or create my own? I'm going to create my own. All right, so right now you see these where now I can start to create the messages and it already has a campaign name. What I'm simply going to do, add an email to this campaign. What's the subject line going to be? All right, see, I added one email. Now I'm going to go here. I'm going to copy this whole email. And see, with my lead gen secret, they have your link coded already in there. You see that? Control copy. All right, see that how I pasted my own link? Now you can do customizations and all of that, but for this video, I'm going to keep it simple. I'm just going to save. Okay, so you see new my lead gen secret. Right now I have one message and it's sent on day 0, which means as soon as somebody requests info from my website, they will automatically get this email right away. That's what it means by sent on day 0. I can do the same thing and add those other emails. So what I'm going to do for time purpose, so I can walk you through every piece, I'm going to pause the video, but the same way I added that first email follow-up, I'm going to add the other ones in. All right. Then we're going to go to the next phase, which is the capture page. So you see, I'm creating the follow-ups within the Power Lead system. Then I'm going to connect it to a capture page. All really simple. So let me walk you through that part next. All right, so here I am. I'm finished putting together the email follow-up campaign. You see, I named it New My Lead Gen Secret. I have those 5 messages by me. So what's going to happen is when I connect this campaign to the front door capture page, when someone enters their email, these messages are going to play right away. This one will come to them right away. The next day, this one will happen. Then the very next day, this email. You see that? So right here is how you can have a 5 email series. That's pretty much 5 days, or I'm going to say 4 days, because the first day that they opt in, boom, they get a message. Now that part is done. Next is creating a capture page, which I can also do inside the Power Lead system. So I can go to websites, and I'll go right here to websites. All right, so here I am. This is where I can pick out websites that are already done, or I can customize. But what I want to show you is I'm going to click here, because if you're in Power Lead system, you have this. All right. Okay, so here's just another set of options inside the Power Lead system for mobile responsive capture pages, meaning these front doors will even look good on a cell phone. So I'm going to just take a code here. I like this. I'm going to take this share code so that I have this page, and then I'm going to customize it to match my lead gen secret. You see that? I'm going to make this sales funnel. So here, let me take this share code. Control copy. Okay, now what you can do with share codes, I can go right here to websites, my sharing codes. I'm going to add that code. Control paste. Okay, so you see duplicate code. That means that I already added this code to my back office, but I wasn't sure. What I'm going to do is go find it now. All right, so let's see what page that was. You can see how much I use the Power Lead System tools. 13. Look, this is it right here. Lead capture page 13. Look, manage. Now you have one with a timer. You have one with an auto timer. You have different options. Look, let's see the auto timer. Okay, now also, if you're watching this, if you're a new member, you won't have this many options. This is because I've used the system to create so many pages and so many different share codes. So I'm going to pull up that capture page for you and then show you how quickly I can customize it. All right. Here it is right here. And I'm going to go for the one email only. So let's do this. What I'm going to do is copy. Okay, now this page that I'm about to do my editing on, this is the most important piece. This is where I'm going to name the capture page and have it everything coded. So let's do new MLS. Let's put it right here. I'm going to assign it a subdomain. So MLGS.wealthbuilder careers. Now you see here, step 3, if someone opts into this capture page, what email follow-up do you want them to receive? So right here, I'm going to click that I want them to receive, what was it called? New My Lead Gen Secret, right? So let's go to N. See how much I use the Power Lead system? Look, new My Lead Gen Secret. You see here, 5 messages will already be connected to this capture page. Next, where do I want someone to go when they opt in? Remember, we want people to go to this sales presentation. We want people to see the sales presentation when they opt in. Paste. All right, so I'm going to edit the background, the image of the capture page. Now I can change up the words, but in this example, I'm just going to leave it the same to show you. Boom, the sales funnel is completely done now. All right, so you see capture page. Let me just do this really quickly. See, it went to the sales presentation, and also, right, and you could see here, this was my opt-in, but more importantly, what inboxed. Look, there's my email.